All right, guys, y'all know this dressing room is giving me the business. It is straight up giving me the business. Now, I love this picture. This picture just caught my eye. I was in Burlington's and I saw it, and they only wanted $49.99. What I liked about it is that it has the pink in there, and there are 3 pictures to this thing.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you.
All right, guys, so look at the picture. I have 3 pictures here. They are $49.99. I like them. I really do like them. I hope I'm not just going overboard with the flower skies, but I'm going to tell you, it caught my eye. I like these things, so I got to see what they're going to look like. All right, guys, well, I am back and I am in my dressing room and I am still trying to get this room decorated. Now, at Burlington, I seen these beautiful pictures. You get 3 of them for $49.99. I took y'all to the store with me. Okay, so I'm trying, I don't want nothing to clash and I don't want to feel claustrophobic in here. These pictures may be a little much, but I'm going to try them. I look away at them, then I look back at them, they look good, and then they don't look good. So the only thing I can do is try them. I got floral all over, the sides of the walls, and I got to finish that. Let me see if I can show y'all this. Okay, this wall I have to finish. Over here, I have finished this wall. It's wallpapered and it's got the frame on it. And the wall behind me, I still have to wallpaper it and put a frame on that as well. I seen these pictures. And I think they're pretty. I like the pink in them. I said I wanted a pink picture. So what I did was, I marked my wall. I already have marked my wall. I did it in a clever way. Let me see if I can straighten you guys out. I did it in a clever way, because I have 2 different ways I'm going to hang these pictures. So this is the frame that I have to go around, that I'm putting around my wall. Once I put the wallpaper up, I'm framing it off with this. So since this is a long strip, I put it up on the wall here, took my level, put the level on the wall, and then I mark my places. So I told y'all I have a bad habit of putting holes in the wall. This room was gray at one time, a 2-tone gray, but I had put so many holes in the wall, I had to repaint the room. But I'm glad I did, because I like this lighter color. This really makes me feel good when I'm in here. I'm going to take these loose. It's going to be a lot to take these pictures loose, so I am going to come back when I get them all taken loose. Because how they have them on there, let me see if I can show you. So yeah, it staples all up through here. So I'm going to have to try to get in here and pry those out, guys. So guys, like I was telling you, we still doing the Christmas vlog and everything. And I've been working on this room for a minute. And some of the purchases I have made, I have felt, the more stuff I put in here, the more I felt claustrophobic. And I don't want to feel that. I don't want to feel that in this room. So I'm being very careful on the choices I make with purchasing things for this room. So I'm going to take this off, all the staples and stuff off, and then I'll be back, guys.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
Okay, it's off. It's off. Okay, I believe I got the pictures loose. Now they are real pretty, guys. Look at that. They are gorgeous. They are gorgeous. So, man, I tore them walls up again. I'm gonna have to start calling myself Bangladesh. So tomorrow, I'm just gonna go to like maybe a Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that, or Ace, and get some matching paint for the walls. Y'all see me walking, scratching my head. I have put these pictures up every way that I could think to put them up. But I did come up on my final decision of how I did want them, to be hung up in the room.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
It is looking pretty though. Okay guys, I am sitting up here trying to find out which hole did I make to hang this picture. And no, it's not that one. But I had one right above it right there. Nope, it wasn't that one either. But I went on and went with it. And guess what? Miss Bangladesh started making holes again. So yes, I will be repairing the holes in these walls. It was something else just trying to hang a simple picture, guys. It wasn't easy at all. The wall is long, so I had to like measure how long the wall was and then measure each picture and then divide that to see how much room I could have between all of the pictures and from each corner. And then at the end of the day, you know what? I just eyeballed it.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
All right, guys, well, they are up here. They are up here the best as I could get them up here. And this brightened up the room. So I just hung them all together. They brightened up the room. If I replace anything, I will replace these two pictures right here, these round pictures on the wall with probably some sconces, like some gold battery operated sconces, something like that, or maybe nothing at all. You know, you don't have to have something hanging on every wall. But I can tell you this. It was a monster. It was a monster getting those pictures out of their wrappings. I got them from Burlington's today. They were $49.99. I thought the pink would just bring up and brighten up the room, and it has. So guys, that is it. This is a Christmas vlog, so chalk it up. Thank you for coming by, spending this time with me. You have reached Regina TV. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell down below so you will not miss what's coming up next in these Christmas vlogs. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Know that I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.
Then get up, get